Hello everyone, this is Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. Today we are going to go on a journey deep into the heart of modern manufacturing. We will uncover the power and potential of the manufacturing execution system or MES. And I promise by the end of this video, you will understand why MES is a game changer in the manufacturing world. But before we get started, remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. This way, you won't miss out on any crucial tips and insightful discussions on enhancing business operations. Let's get started, shall we?
1. Introduction to Manufacturing Execution System, MES. Let's start at the beginning, with an introduction to the Manufacturing Execution System, or MES. This is a digital system that helps manage and control manufacturing operations on the shop floor. It bridges the gap between planning and execution, ensuring that your manufacturing operations are as efficient and effective as possible. 2. Understanding the core functions of an MES system. But what are the core functions of an MES system? Firstly, it provides real-time information about the production process. Secondly, it assists in scheduling and resource allocation. Thirdly, it ensures the quality of the output and tracks performance. And finally, it integrates seamlessly with other enterprise systems. 3. The role of MES in modern manufacturing operations. In modern manufacturing operations, an MES system acts as the central nervous system. It coordinates various functions, reduces errors, and increases efficiency. It's also the key to unlocking the potential of advanced manufacturing techniques such as IoT and Industry 4.0. 4. Key features and capabilities of an effective MES system. A robust MES system comes loaded with features. It offers real-time monitoring, robust data collection, advanced analytics, and automated reporting. But more than that, it brings a level of visibility and control that was previously unimaginable. 5. Enhancing efficiency and productivity with MES. With an MES system, you're not just enhancing efficiency and productivity. You're transforming how you do business. You are able to respond to changes faster, prevent bottlenecks, and keep your customers happier. 6. The importance of MES in ensuring manufacturing quality control. Quality control is another area where MES shines. By catching issues early, it reduces waste and rework. It also provides the data you need to continuously improve your processes. 7. Integrating MES with other enterprise systems. Of course, an MES doesn't exist in a vacuum. It integrates seamlessly with your other enterprise systems to provide a comprehensive view of your operations. 8. Case study: how MES transformed a manufacturing setup. Company XYZ, a leading manufacturing firm, was grappling with production inefficiencies, poor quality control, and ineffective real-time decision-making due to a lack of integrated data from different production units. This disjointed setup was stalling their growth and profitability. 9. Choosing the right MES software. Factors to consider. Choosing the right MES software requires careful consideration of your manufacturing needs, the software's capabilities, and the vendor's reputation and support. By taking these factors into account, you can select an MES system that not only meets your current needs but also scales with your business growth, ultimately leading to enhanced manufacturing efficiency and productivity. 10. Predicting the future of MES, emerging trends and technologies. The future is bright for MES, with these advanced technologies paving the way for smarter, more efficient, and more productive manufacturing operations. So, whether you are already using an MES or planning to implement one, it's important to stay abreast of these trends and technologies. To conclude, MES is a vital tool for modern manufacturing operations. It offers unparalleled visibility and control, and the benefits it brings are significant. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, so you won't miss our next insightful discussion. Share. Thank you.